Looker Studio, formerly known as DataStudio, lets you connect a wide range of data sources for your report dashboards. In this video, I'll demo how to set up a table widget using Google Sheets as a data connection. To start with, make sure the Google account you're using has access to the Google Sheet. From the Charts menu, drag and drop a new table onto the dashboard. You then need to view the setup options and edit the data source. Click on Add Data to create a new connection. Choose Google Sheets, search for your file and then click Add to import this into your Looker Studio dashboard. The column headings will become dimensions and metrics within Looker Studio. If you click on Add Dimension, you can create new columns in the table which match your Google Sheet. If the columns in the sheet change at some point, your table will show an error. You'll need to manually add or remove those columns from the dimensions list to update the table. You can then rearrange the columns by dragging and dropping dimensions, and sort the table based on certain dimensions or metrics. Any changes to the sheet will be updated in your Looker Studio table based on the data freshness settings. By default, it checks every 15 minutes, but if you click Edit on your data source, you can change the frequency so that the report updates less often.